Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fly a kite. First, find an open space like a large field with steady wind. Avoid trees, power lines, and buildings. Next, choose a kite suitable for the wind speed. Lighter kites for gentle breezes, heavier ones for stronger winds. Finally, carefully assemble your kite, making sure all lines and spars are correctly connected and secure before you begin. To launch, have a friend hold your kite about 20 to 50 feet downwind. Stand with your back to the wind, holding the kite line firmly. When a good gust of wind comes, signal your helper to release the kite. As they let go, quickly pull the line in a smooth, upward motion. This action helps the kite catch the wind and ascend into the sky. Once your kite is airborne, gentle control is key. To gain altitude, pull the line in slowly and steadily. To lower it, release a bit of line. You can steer your kite by moving the line left or right, guiding it through the air. Always maintain a steady, but not overly tight, tension on the line to ensure stable and enjoyable flight. To land your kite, slowly walk towards it while reeling in the line. This reduces wind pressure and brings the kite gently to the ground. For safety, never fly near power lines, airports, or busy streets. Always check the weather forecast for strong winds or approaching storms. A safe flying experience is a fun flying experience for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.